Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every single trading day, up to 10 hours a day. I'm in the studio. My aim is to grow the most honest, real YouTube channel in the world. I have two, actually, this one and the music channel. Check out below for all the details. It's at Martyn Lucas if you want to see my music. I'm the world piano man. But every day I trade here with my real money, my real shares. This is my journey, and I'm also on your journey. Nearly 2 years now, a month to go, and it will be 2 years I've been sat here every day with you. We've seen it all. We've seen people get margin called, make money, lose money. We've seen people pass away on our show. We've seen people get married on our show. Everything has happened. Here is a community, a family, and I'm very proud to say we have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube when it comes to the statistic live viewers who are members. 95% of my live viewers are members. We're very, very proud of that. So let's get straight into it. Here is the information that you need. Look below the video. And there is the ticker running. All the links are below for the social media or my posts, whatever I'm trading on Twitter. You can see all of it there below in the description of this video. Okay, let's get straight to it. Welcome all our guests this morning over on TikTok. Let me just adjust the screen slightly for you. There you go. Now on TikTok, you're actually watching on my phone because you can't broadcast properly on TikTok. You're watching my phone, look at my YouTube and Rumble broadcast. That's what you're looking at. And on Friday, not tomorrow, but next Friday, we're giving away our very best ever giveaway. $1,025 value, $125 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one training. It's completely free to enter, free for all. Anyone can win it. Only 40 people have entered it. 42 people have entered it. You don't have to do anything. I will never contact you. I will never message you. Be very, very careful on TikTok. There are hundreds of scammers pretending to be me. They're not me. How can you tell they're not me? Because I'm live every day. I spell my name correctly, and I will never, ever message you. And I will never try and sell you anything. So if you are a serious trader and a serious investor, not just scrolling through TikTok, but you'd like to be in our free prize draw, we're going to give away $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training to learn how to read charts and all that stuff. If you'd like any of that at all, come into YouTube right now and say, I'm from TikTok and I would like to be in your free prize draw. Just come into YouTube right now. It's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. The link is in the profile right up here. It's the same name as this, or just type it in, Martyn Lucas Investor. Say, I'm from TikTok and I'd like to be in your free prize draw. And I'll put you in it for free. I've got to get back to YouTube and Rumble right now. Okay, welcome everybody. Lovely to have you all here. So let's get straight into our trades this morning. See where we are. Okay, we're starting off this morning. Here is the S&P. My overall position is down 0.15. Before we carry on, let's bring in our guest this morning. We've got Toprak. Toprak is a guest from Turkey. Hello from Turkey. What is your native language in Turkey? Is it Turkish? I'm guessing it's Turkish, probably. So on that basis, I would like to do for you, hang on a minute, let me bring this up for you. I'd like to do a special welcome for you in Turkey. So let me change this now to Turkish. Let me have a little look. I want to go from English to Turkish, especially for our guest here today. Welcome his friends and family. We do that if we can. So here we go. Okay, let's see if this works. Welcome Toprak and all our friends and guests from Turkey today. I hope you're all well and safe, and welcome to the show.
Bugün üst rafa ve Türkiye'den gelen tüm arkadaşlarımıza ve misafirlerimize hoş geldiniz. Umarım hepiniz iyi ve güvendesinizdir ve gösteriye hoş geldiniz.
Wow, That's a lot, isn't it? That's a lot of extra words put in if you speak in Turkish. Blimey. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Mike is here as well. Nice to see you, Mike. Eric B, good morning from San Antonio, Texas. Exactly, Turkish. There you go. I hope that was that correct. Did that make sense? I hope so. I hope it made sense. That's especially there for Top Rack this morning. Okay, let's go through all our positions. So the S&P is down today 0.25. You are welcome. Fantastic. All right. Virgin Galactic is down 0.67. This is VORB Q. I need to update VORB Q. There we go. It's at 7 cents, still being delisted, as you can see. Rivian is up today 0.08. Tesla, we get to 189 and we'll be able to sell some Tesla. That's what we're looking for. Okay. Yeah, it was so kind of you. So it sounded all right, did it? Once again, in Turkish, we don't get to do it very often, so let's do it again. Very, very enjoyable. This is welcoming Top Rack, friends from around the show, friends from Turkey. Here we go.
Bugün üst tarafa ve Türkiye'den gelen tüm arkadaşlarımıza ve misafirlerimize hoş geldiniz. Umarım hepiniz iyi ve güvendesinizdir ve gösteriye hoş geldiniz.
All right. There you go. Keaton S. Good morning to Keaton S. as well. Welcome to you. Now, Tesla, if we can get 189, we will sell some. Lucid is up today. Apple, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, down 0.08. J&J, also down. Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy down 0.1. Enphase up 2.5. We had a nice little rally yesterday. It's got a long way to go, though, before I can get my money back. I'm down on it 30%. Bitcoin is flat today. It's up very slightly, 0.04. Tilray up. I want to welcome our guest today on Rumble. Hang on a minute. Let me change that screen. This is the wrong screen. Let me share this. I'm going to share some interesting news with you. Actually, you might find interesting. I was contacted yesterday by the CEO. That's the wrong one. There we go. I was contacted yesterday by the CEO of Rumble. And I'll tell you more about that shortly. But there is Rumble running right now. There are 7 watching, and I've had a reply to my question about the viewers on Rumble Real. Well, I will answer that question shortly. But I did receive a reply from the CEO of Rumble. Very exciting stuff. Schifferler Stephen, welcome to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Nobody on TikTok wanted to be in our giveaway this morning. For those of you who have not taken part in it, it is our biggest ever giveaway. $1,025 in value. Here it is. Every day we give you extra tickets to win. It's next Friday, not tomorrow. The week after. There is the link there, and I'll put it on the screen so you can see it. I will give you the link right now. Okay, here we go. And 1,716 tickets have gone. Let's have a look. Here we go. Scroll up. You can see this is the competition. $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training. All down here, these are the tickets you can win just by retweeting, posting, commenting, and every day you get a chance for free tickets just by coming back to the website. Really, really great. So there you go. Take part in that. It's a great, great prize. It's our best ever prize. If the CEO has time to reply to a day-to-day queries. They aren't busy enough. Yeah, I will show you. I actually was quite honored to get a tweet reply, if I'm honest. Okay, let me share with you the response. This is it here. This was my comment last night. This is the CEO of Rumble. Okay, Rumble is, of course, a publicly traded company. It's on the New York Stock Exchange. We've got shares in it. And the question I asked yesterday is Rumbled? Is Rum a scam? Live on YouTube. This was my video. I put it out. If you've not seen it, go and check it out. It's on the homepage of the channel. And look, I had a reply. Click on the replies. Look, there you go. Chris Pavlovsky. Martyn, a cool feature that Rumble has, unlike YouTube, is when you select a category for your live stream, you get put on the Rumble homepage. That is Rumble, rumble.com, by the way. Homepage in category pages. This helps viewers discover your stream and could be the reason why you got 20 plus live viewers. Hope that helps. I'm honoured to meet you. I'd love to talk to you. I sent him some pictures of me and so on and so forth, who I am and blah, blah, blah. And if I click on that, you can see it's the real guy. Look, 80,000, nearly 81,000 followers. And if we click on him there, you can see this is the CEO of Rumble. There he is. The CEO of Rumble contacted me yesterday. How cool is that? I was very honoured, and I'd like to interview him, have him on the show. You have a share in it, you mean? Yes, I do. A share in it, you mean? Yes. Yeah. I think I have 5, actually, so come on, hang on. I have 5. I'm a serious investor now, come on. So there you go. I have connections, folks. People speak to me. You've no idea. I want to win it, says Eric B. Yes, I hope you do win it, Eric. He really wants to win it. You have a share in it, you mean. Fair play to him. Yeah? Brilliant, isn't it? Very, very proud of that. It's a young man by the looks of things. Probably late 20s, 30s maybe. CEO of a company like that on the New York Stock Exchange. Quite a big deal, right? Okay. Let's have a look at my overall positions this morning. Let's have a little look here. So, there's my overall position on my brokerage account. The Roth IRA, that's because Tesla is doing well today. Okay, 52. Now, our all-time high was 54.4. So, we're quite a bit off from our all-time high. But look at this good news here. Remember I said to you, I wonder if Robinhood would do it. Well, they have. Look, they've upped their APY. It's the highest interest rate I've ever had in my life. 4.65% APY. You know, there's an argument for selling all my stocks and just earning guaranteed 4.65%. Look, I've got $2,700 in my buying power. That's what I'm earning. That's uninvested. That's what I'm earning money on. And look, I've earned 97 cents in 2 days. It's basically 50 cents a day at the moment on just $2,700 every day. They pay you every day. It's the best. I've never seen anything like it. I think it's phenomenal. You might go, well, 50 cents. That's not 50 cents a year, like in the bank. That's 50 cents a day. I mean, that's if I put that in the bank, $2,700, at the end of the year, I might earn 50 cents. I'm earning 50 cents a day with Robinhood and getting paid daily. So it's getting added to my balance, which means I'm then getting interest on the interest. It's absolutely brilliant. I think it's phenomenal. So should I sell all my stocks if we have a looming crisis coming along? And what do you think? I pay you more being a gold member. Hang on a minute. Let's have a look. I pay you more being a gold member. yes, you do. I just want to say, actually, I think I saw a celebration here this morning. It was before the show started, so I couldn't share it, but I am going to celebrate it. Jason Fallon from Australia is one of our gold members. He supports the show, and it's because of the gold members and because of the members we are here, particularly our gold members. I can't thank you enough. Oh my gosh, I think we've just got a new member from Korea. But first of all, let me celebrate Jason Fallon from Australia. Has now been a member for 7 months. He'll be turning gold soon. He's yellow at the moment. So anyway, let's celebrate our gold member for 7 months, Jason Fallon from Australia. Thank you very much indeed. You are a member now for 7 months. I can't thank you enough. Thank you very much indeed. There you go. Really do appreciate it massively. And also from Korea, we have a brand new member just come in from Korea. This is fantastic. I love this. Let me change this. Whoops-a-daisy. Hang on a minute. Translate. Okay. English to Korean is what I want to say. Okay. Here we go. Welcome our brand new member from Korea. Thank you for the support on my channel, and thank you for being here every day. Here we go. Thank you very much indeed. Here we go. Another member has just joined the channel. Here we go. Thank you very much, our friend from Korea. Absolutely awesome. Thank you so much indeed. A brand new member. So we need to upgrade our member today, and can't thank you enough. You get many perks as a member. Let me just get to the bottom of the comments here. Any advice point for intraday buy sell Apple before earning news? We are covering the earnings today. We'll discuss Apple in a moment. I pay you more being a gold member. You do. Wash hands. Actually, I think the 10,000 portfolio is a good idea. It's something new viewers might be interested in and might have give a renewed focus, having a fresh challenge to grow 10,000 to X amount. I can see where you're coming from. Mike. Ho, there we go. There he is. Martyn could juggle for 10 hours a day. I'd still watch. Brilliant. Jason Fallon, thank you so much indeed. Martyn, I wouldn't sell everything because time is not on our side. Need to hit a $250,000 goal. Need today and swing trade. Yes, we do. We need to get to basically what Eric's saying is we're all bloody old, and we've got to get get our accounts up. Anyway, any good candidates shares with are being under your radar because of under fair value currently? Top rack. I will come to those questions in a minute. First of all, I want to I'm God's member. Look at this. What? Right. Now you are a silver member. I will reply to all of your comments on YouTube that you reply to me. I will tag you in my viral posts. If you wish to follow me on social media, I will follow you. I will tag you in my viral posts. So let me give you my Twitter. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter, and I will make sure that I tag you in my viral posts. So as I grow, you will grow. There is my Twitter. Now as a member, we can upgrade you on Discord. We can upgrade you on Discord. You can, as a silver member, you can have your own channel if you want it. I can also put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel if you want it. You just have to ask me. As a silver member, you can go on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you wish to do so. Okay, so you'll scroll down here and you will see we have the members, silver members and upwards. Can you see there? Silver members and upwards. You can be here and I can put you on the channel. So if you want to be here on the channel, then you can. You can be here on the channel. Just ask me. Okay? Now I'm going to give you Discord because you need to come into Discord so we can upgrade your account live on the show. Here is Discord. There is Discord. I'll give it you 3 times so it pops out. Go to Discord and I will upgrade your account live on the show. So let's go over to Discord right now. This is Discord. And if you come into the welcome all, I will upgrade your account. So here is welcome all. Here is Discord. It takes 10 minutes to get through for security. There is the welcome all. Come here and say hello. Fallen angel. Hello to you. Now this person here has requested a friend request. I want to know who this person is. Fallen angel. If you are here in the show, let me know if you are a member because I need to upgrade you if you are. Fallen Angel. I don't know who you are. You asked to be a friend. I only friend the members. So, hello. I'll just reply back to you now. Reply back to you. Okay. Come into YouTube so I know who you are. Okay, once he comes on in, I can then accept his friend request. It's me, Fallen Angel. Oh, Top Rack, that's you, is it? Top Rack, it is me, Fallen Angel. Okay, all right. I can't follow you back or upgrade you until you become a member. If you want to become a member of my channel, I can then reply to your friend request. I can upgrade your account and everything else. You need to be a member to access all the members' channels. You also need to, if you want me to friend you back and on all the benefits you get, there's the membership. If you become a member, I will upgrade your account live on the show. But I can't upgrade your account, change your name, friend request you, all that kind of stuff, unless you're a member. You can just be a bronze member, and that will do it for you. But anyway, there you go. Thank you very much for letting me know. If you become a member, then we can go forward. Okay. Okay. Martin, I wouldn't sell everything. Let me scroll down. Any good candidates sharing shares which are under your radar? We'll come back to that in a minute. Tesla around 160, not good. Here is Tesla, 162 up 1.41. We've had a couple of good days on Tesla, no question about that. But as you can see, it's up 6.74 on the past week. So I'm glad I'm in. Let's go to my Roth position. You can see I'm just down 5.48. Whoops, don't know why I zoomed in then. 5.48. Just there you can see. I've got, it's 22% of my portfolio. I just need to get to 189 and I can sell 2 shares and trim it back, and that'll be fantastic. That's exactly what I want to do. 189 is still very far ahead of Tesla. It is, but it can easily go there. It is me, says Top Rack. Fantastic. Member through where? YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Here. Exactly. Here's the invitation. If you become a member, then you get all the perks and benefits. All right. Breakfast bar mug. Top Rack. No, sorry. Our friend from Korea, come on in to welcome all. Come into Discord so I can upgrade your account. Okay, let me give you the Discord link again in case you missed it. I want to upgrade your account. This is our friend from Korea. If Top Rack becomes a member, we can upgrade him as well. All right, we've got half an hour to go before Tesla, cheer up. Tesla would have to rise 17% to reach 189. Yes, it would. Yes, it would. And that's where I need it to go if I want to sell at a profit. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for. If it rises 17%, if those figures are correct, I haven't done my maths. If it rises 17%, then I will be able to sell two. And I'll be in a good position and I'll sell two and it'll be fine. Now remember, I could contact Robinhood and do the FIFO rule, but it's much easier to do it this way. Let's hope that happens. Hello there, everyone. ETORO. We've had a new member this morning from Korea. Absolutely fantastic. I got a message from Mike saying go into the breakfast bar. We've got some new pictures. Let's have a little look. May the 4th be with you. Oh, I like it. This is from Eric B. This has just come in from the breakfast bar. These are the things you can do if you're a member of the channel. May the 4th be with you, Eric B. For those of you who don't know, my name obviously is Martyn Lucas. The reason for that is my godfather was Kenny Baker, R2D2. The man inside the R2D2 is my godfather. Look at this. Look at this. This is Mike watching the show with You're the Best. He's the only one who has that, and he's got his gold coin as well. I like it. I like it. All right, brilliant. What else have we got in the breakfast bar? Let me just like that. I want to do that live so I don't forget. Excellent. Now, if you could each morning, it's one of the things we're trying to do, it to become a public channel. We need to get some more engagement on our Discord. Come in each morning, say hello and all those things, and it really makes a difference. Okay. Oh no, this meme again. That's a lot, 17%. Yes, but Tesla could do it. Tesla is the sort of stock. Remember, Tesla is a growth stock. It's not the S&P 500. It's a growth stock. Okay, so it could very well do it. Top Rack has just become a bronze member. Everybody, please welcome. We've just got a member from Korea and Turkey. Are we or what? Are we like the best channel in the world or what? All right, let's, this is phenomenal. A brand new member. Everyone welcome our friend from Turkey. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much indeed. Right, now then, Top Rack is a member. So, let me go over now to welcome all on Discord and start to upgrade your account. So, here we go. We've got half an hour to go before the bell goes, so we've got time to do a little bit of admin on the channel. Here we go. This is Fallen Angel. He is Top Rack. So, we're going to change his name here in our server. I'm not changing your name anywhere else, only here on the server. Okay, change nickname. So we need to call you the same name so everyone knows who you are, because it's all about trust and transparency here. Top Rack. Okay, Top Rack is now your name here. Okay, now then, what I'm going to do is you can see you on our Top Rack. I'm now going to give you membership status. So you now have a member role. Okay. You can see that done, right? And I believe you also did a friend request as well. Add friend. There we go. We are now friends. I only friend my members, so that way we know who everybody is. Add friend. There you go. Fantastic. Yes, I'm here. I am Top Rack. There you go. Brilliant. Now then, Top Rack, as a bronze member, you can access all of the private channels. You can get a lifetime discount to Ali Tizro's service. All the YouTube members, you can see all these channels down the outside. You can also call in live to the show. The broadcast lounge is now open. If you want to call into the show, say hello to everybody, you can call in here. It's the broadcast lounge. Okay? And as a member, we'll also celebrate your birthday live on the show. I will do a birthday song and you get to own the video. Okay? You can download it and keep it. People pay $500 for me to make them birthday videos. You get that for free as a member. I will reply to all your comments. I will also tag you in my viral posts on Twitter. Here is my Twitter account. Follow me there. I think you did it yesterday, actually. There you go. And brilliant. Brilliant. Thank you so much for your support. It's the members that fund these live shows. We wouldn't be on air if it wasn't for the members. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Now then, so that birthday is for you or any member of your family. You might want to give it to your wife, your daughter, your son, whoever, and it'll be, we can celebrate on the show their birthday. Okay. If you ever go silver, you can have a 20-minute fundraiser and a special event as well. Jeffrey Diamond, welcome to Jeffrey Diamond. We have just got 2 new members, one from Korea and one from Turkey. Absolutely fan-flipping-tastic. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? It's amazing. So here we go. I'm going to do a special mention in Turkish. Here we go.
Türkiye'den yepyeni üyemize hoş geldiniz. Kanalıma verdiğiniz destek için teşekkür ederim ve her gün burada olduğunuz için teşekkür ederim.
You've gone global, Keaton S. It's pretty exciting, isn't it? It is pretty exciting. Yeah, there you go. So, welcome everybody over on Rumble this morning. I spoke to the CEO of Rumble last night. He tweeted me and I've invited him on the show for a conversation. The CEO of Rumble I spoke to last night. Very, very nice indeed. This is Rumble running right now. If you'd like to keep a tab running on Rumble, it helps my channel grow. Follow me over there as well. It's just like YouTube, actually. Very interesting. And I want to see how we can grow. I've got 35 followers. I've only been doing it a week. I would love you to keep a tab open if you can. It's very, very exciting. See how it all runs. Welcome in, says Ed Nevius. Indeed. All right. Well, we've got 25 minutes to go. Welcome all our guests over there on TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, wherever you are, watch me around the world. Welcome to all of you. The S&P is down at the moment. Shall we check my overall positions? Here we go. You can see we're down very slightly, 0.11. Robinhood is now paying 4.65 APY. I am very tempted to sell a lot of stock and leave it in cash. Very, very tempted to do that. However, you don't invest on the stock market to make 4.65%. It's phenomenal having it as my bank. I use Robinhood now as my bank. So very happy to do that. But I'm not using it. I'm not going to sell all my stocks, but there is an argument to sell some of them, things that are going sideways, and keep it in cash. Only if you expect them to go down. I think a balance. It's just unfortunate that my computer broke. I didn't earn enough money last month on YouTube to be able to invest anymore. This new computer I'm running, just bought, it's cost me $4,000. So, can't do much at the minute. The Roth IRA is doing all right. That's predominantly Tesla at the moment, and J&J as well. And 54.4 is our all-time high. Let's have a look now at my actual positions in more detail. Let's see what is actually going up. You see Rivian, Tesla, 141. It's got to go to 189. Can it do it? If I can get 189, I can sell two of my stocks, the ones I bought first, for 189 for a wash. I can sell those. My average will still be 172, and I will be able to trim off and put some money in uninvested cash, not in my brokerage account, in my Roth IRA. J&J must be up to date. Yes, I thought so. 0.16. Now then, Apple. We've been asked about Apple today. Apple is down 1.48. I'm actually up 13% on it. I'm not selling it. Sensei Crypto is here. Ali Tizro. Ali Tizro, you'll be very excited to know. First of all, I have a very special gift here from Sensei. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Take a photograph of that, Sensei. There you go. Look at that. I had this mug sent to me from Sensei, Ali Tizro. Thank you very much for that. Appreciate it. Sensei Crypto is a sponsor of our channel. He now has a mug in the channel. Absolutely fantastic. And Ali, who is Sensei Crypto, we got two new members this morning, a bronze and a silver member. And one is from Turkey and one is from Korea. And they are now members, and they might be interested in your service, your crypto service, because, of course, they can now get a lifetime discount as members to your service, which is wonderful news. And guess what, Ali? I spoke to the CEO of Rumble last night. Yeah, this is Rumble running right now, and I asked about the people that are watching my channel. Is it real? And because I have people watching and no one's commenting, no one's liking, no one in the live chat. And I asked the question, what is going on? And he replied to me. Shall I share with you the response? This is Chris Pavlovsky. This is the CEO of Rumble. All right. There you go. You can see him there. Look, very, very nice indeed. And if I go to my profile, you can actually see this was my post here. Oh, and there's me live right now. This was my post about Rumble. Has Rumble been rumbled? And he actually replied to me. Martin, a cool feature that Rumble has, unlike YouTube, is when they select a category for your live stream, you get to put it on Rumble homepage and category pages. So shall we check that right now? Shall we check that right now? So if we go to rumble.com, let's type it in right now. Rumble.com. Rumble.com. There we go. This is rumble.com. And if we go to, I'm doing this live now, so what happens, happens. There you go, on the finance page. There I am. Look, you can see I'm one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's only 6 live channels running at the moment. And there I am. I'm on the home page of Rumble. How cool is that? And there you go. And Top Rack from Turkey has just come in and said, hello there to test message. Fantastic. Brilliant. Well, there you go. See that? Absolutely awesome. I've texted you what you have, and I've just seen it. I've just seen it. Wow, love it. Yeah, looks good, doesn't it? Absolutely brilliant. And I have something else. Ali, in 20 minutes' time, I can do it. Ali, do you want it in 20 minutes? Ali, Sensei Sensei, do you want it in 20 minutes? Do you want it in 20 minutes? All right, I'm asking Ali. Let's see what he says. Right, we've got the Apple earnings tonight. Apple earnings. If you want to join us live, here is the Apple earnings. There it is, live on the show. Apple earnings. If you want to be the first person to leave me a comment, there is the Apple earnings. We've already got people waiting, already got people watching. There we go. Apple earnings tonight. We will cover it live. Very, very exciting. Tonight is the Apple earnings. I'll give it to you a couple of times so you can see it. All right. So join us for that if you want to be the first one there. Okay. Okay. Now then, the overall portfolio is coming up. The Roth IRA is just showing some resistance right now. We're at 13.4. The all-time high was 14,000. And it's predominantly because of Tesla this morning. And I need to get to 189 so I can sell just a couple of shares off the top. Let's go through our positions. The S&P is coming up. Virgin Galactic only worth $3. Virgin Orbit being delisted. Pepe meme coin is going crazy. Yes, he would. Okay, we have a special feature coming up in just over 15 minutes time. And it's a big moment. It's a big moment. It's exciting. I feel like we are now at the New York Stock Exchange. We've got the CEO of Rumble speaking to me. I've got people here, members from Turkey, Australia, Korea, Europe, America, Italy, France, the Netherlands, all over the world. And now we have something unique to bring to the show coming up in just 17 minutes time. Very, very exciting. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? Well, you'll find out in a minute. I'm excited about it. This is very, very exciting indeed. Okay. Pepe meme coin is going crazy. Shall we make a little quick video on it? Pepe, let's have a look. We can cover it right now. Pepe, Pepe Crypto. Let's see why. Let's cover it on the news. Let's zoom in here. Let me just get rid of that a minute. All right, we're going to cover this. We've got a few minutes to go. This is some crazy news kicking off right now. All right. Let me go to this part of the show. We've got time, yes, 15 minutes. Let me bring this up to date so I know my timings. 43 minutes. 43 Pepe. Okay, here we go. So we're going to the production screen now and we're going to discuss this very, very quickly. Let's have a look. Here we go. All right. Okay. Okay, we're good. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Kermit the Frog is back. No, it's Pepe this time. Pepe, P-E-P-E, is exploding. It's a meme coin. Let's discuss why. And on a day when the markets are just a bit down from Jerome Powell's speech yesterday, we've got a meme coin, a frog with a hat on, blowing up crypto. Let's have a look at it right now. Can you believe it? But before I do, though, as always, smash the like button if you love to make money. Smash the like button, and if you can, subscribe to me. I go live every day up to 10 hours a day, and we have the most honest, real channel on YouTube. Just been speaking to the CEO of Rumble. Very exciting, live on my show. Anyway, Pepe is up 74% today. Shall we look at why? So first of all, what is Pepe? So it's up 33 on the rankings at the moment, which it's now 70. It's 677.82 market cap. So it's a relatively small one. And right now you can buy Pepe meme coin for 0.0000161. So it's very, very inexpensive at the moment if you want to own some Pepe. But let's have a little look at why Pepe is moving today. What's going on? Well, this is a little bit of news here. Pepe meme coin liquidity pool becomes most active on Uniswap. The new token based on Pepe the Frog, can you believe it, remains one of the most researched tokens for users of blockchain analytics firm Nansen and price tracker CoinGecko. Well, we've had Kermit the Frog, we've had all kinds of stuff, but now we've got Pepe. Let's read a bit more about it. Pepe, the hype-fueled meme coin that jumped more than 2,100% in price since it debuted last month, has been buzzing with interest on decentralized exchanges, Uniswap becoming one of the most researched coins on data platform Nansen. Uniswap's version V2 and V3 liquidity pools for Pepe WETH have been most active liquidity pool contracts by number of transactions in the past 7 days, with more than 82,750 and 72,950 transactions respectively, according to Nansen data. These two liquidity pools have garnered a combined total of nearly 900,000 in accrued fees in the same time period. The only two liquidity pools that had more accrued fees were the USDC, WETH, and WETH liquidity pools, highlighting the recent obsession of Pepe tokens. So it's all exploding on Pepe. Now I'd love your thoughts on this. Is this a complete and utter waste of time? Should you be in this? Now I gotta say, crypto meme coins isn't for me. However, I do like making money, and I like owning a lottery ticket is always a good investment, as long as it's not the floor and it is not the fundamental basis of your portfolio. If it's a bit of fun off the top, why not? Why not? I say it. Why not go and buy a bit of Kermit the Frog the day the stocks are down, the day after Jerome Powell is wreathing with the FOMC report? Why not buy a bit of Frog? You never know. You might make a bit of money. What the heck? So what do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. I'll reply to all my members' comments first. I prioritize those. I reply to every one of my members' comments. If you're a non-member, please do become a member. We are giving away a massive prize, $1,025 worth of prize next Friday. You might want to be in that. Look below for more details. There you go. The day that Pepe exploded, up 74.4%. Are you going to buy it now? I have no idea. Is it the next Bitcoin? Who knows? Did I really say that? Yes, I did. All right. Have a wonderful day. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There we go. Pepe the Frog. We'll leave it there. We'll come back onto my trading screen right now, and we'll put that out later. We've got 10 minutes to go. I'm going to do one more thing because I have 10 minutes. It's, what is the time now? 49 minutes. 49. Rum. Okay, rum. Let's have a look at this quickly. Go to my Roth IRA. I bought some rum yesterday. Okay. Rum, and we're going to go to Rumble here, and we're going to open that there. That's Rumble, and we're going to do this as well. We've got 10 minutes, 9 minutes to go, so I want to get this in quickly. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's do this now. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Rum, ticker symbol RUM, Rumble. Guess who spoke to the CEO of Rumble last night? I did, and I'm very excited to bring you this news. Let's have a quick look at it right now. So here we go. This was my Twitter post last night. I'm Martyn Investor, if you want to follow me, by the way. And I asked, is Rumble a scam? Well, let me explain what I mean. Is Rumble a scam? Have I rumbled Rumble? Well, here I am live on Rumble right now. I'm making this during a live show. This is my live Rumble right now. And the question I asked was, is Rumble genuine? Because I have a lot of viewers, but no one liking. Now you might go, well, maybe your content is rubbish. No one commenting, and I'm engaging with my audience, but they're reacting to me across my other platforms, but none whatsoever at the moment on Rumble. So I put this video out last night. Is Rumble rumbled? This was the video. You can go and check it out. It's below the link for this video, and if you click above my head, somewhere up there, it'll take you to it as well. I got a reply. Yes, I got a reply from Chris Pavlovsky, who is the CEO of Rumble. And yes, this is the real account. I've checked it out. He has sort of 81,000 followers. This is the real CEO. And he replied to me and he said, Martyn, a cool feature that Rumble has, unlike YouTube, is when you select a category for your live stream, you get put on the Rumble homepage and category pages. This helps viewers discover your stream and could be the reason why you got 20 plus live viewers. Hope that helps, because I questioned, having done this for a while, this is my full-time job streaming, is it genuine if you've got people watching you but no one's engaging? It could be a bot. It could be set up. Well, that's his reply, and I've invited him onto the show. You can see there below, I've invited him on the show and I'd like to interview him. So let's just check exactly what he was talking about, because this is Rumble right now. This is my live stream. And if we go on to the homepage of Rumble, I'm going to cut the video there because I messed that up a little bit. Hang on a minute. Let me type it. So, yeah, let's do it right now. Let's do it this way. So let's go and check how I appear on Rumble. So I'll do it live with you right now. Here is Rumble. Rumble.com. Let's bring it up. There's the homepage of Rumble. And if we go into the finance section, this is what he was talking about. There I am right at the top of the list on Rumble. Now, we all know if you don't log into an account, you can't engage with it. So it could very well be the case. There you go. You can see it right now. There I am on Rumble right at the top. There's only a handful, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finance channels running right now. And what could happen is if I go live all the time and my content's good, it could appear on the homepage of Rumble. How cool would that be? And if you click on, there I am watching myself live on Rumble. And in fact, there you go. I have got my first live comment from a Rumble member. This is not one of my YouTubers. Look, Midnight Oil. There's a new meme called Dino also. There you go. So there it is. Fantastic. So Rumble obviously is genuine. You might not get as many views as you first think, or you might not get as much engagement as you might think because people are watching, but they're not logged in. They're watching through rumble.com. So that's great. You're still getting the views. You're still building a fan base. Very, very exciting indeed. So there you go. That is Rumble. So thank you very much to the CEO of Rumble for replying back to me. You are invited to join me on my show. This is it here, Chris Pavlovsky. So thank you for replying and explaining. And it does look as if Rumble is a great asset to me and I'll be using it. Very exciting. So until next time, as always, click above my head for the Rumble video and look below the video for the tweet on Twitter, and I'd love your thoughts. Please go and share that and comment back to Chris Pavlovsky, who's the CEO of Rumble. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All righty then. Let me go back here. Pepe meme coin is going crazy, isn't it? The bell isn't the bell at that time. The bell is in 4 minutes' time. Jamie on the back porch is moving in. All will be revealed in 5 minutes. Okay, here we go. All be revealed. 5 minutes ago, just special surprise. Special event is about to happen live on the show. 4, 3. Oh, no, hang on a minute. I was going to do 5 minutes. What am I talking about? 3 minutes ago. Ignore me. Ignore me. I'm talking rubbish. 3 minutes ago, I was going to do a 5-minute countdown, but I can't do that. All right. Okay. Now then, let me clear some of these screens away. I've got too many windows open now. I'm confusing myself. Okay. Welcome all our Rumble viewers this morning. Let me go back to Pepe. I was just asked to do is it the week? Look at the week as well when you have a second. Oh, ho, 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 ho. All right. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right. I'll add that in very quickly as well. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas, just an update to our Pepe video just some moments ago. If you check that out, I talked why Pepe the Frog is up today. But look at it on the week, 594. Is it the time to get yourself some frog legs? Have a bit of French on your plate. What do you think of this? Pepe, P-E-P-Y. It's going a bit crazy today. This is just a little update. Join us live and we'll update it throughout the day on our show and we'll see how it all pans out. Very exciting. Pepe the Frog looking good. All right. Okay. I need to focus because we've got a big moment coming up in a second. It's Sensei Crypto Day today. Sensei Crypto. Very exciting. 1 minute to go for a special event. Never been seen before. Martyn Lucas is global. We're all around the world. 1 minute before the bell goes. And we're about to get very, very excited. Okay. Here we go. 20 seconds to go. Yeah, it's like the New York Stock Exchange here. You can't believe it. I know you can't believe it. You wake up every morning and think, I cannot believe what goes on this show. Well, you're going to get very excited now. As you should. Because one of our sponsors, one of our members, has done something pretty special today. And we are about to share it with you in just a few seconds from now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's the bell time. Look at that. It's the bell. It's the exchange bell. Sensei Crypto has rung in the bell today on the New York Stock Exchange. Martyn Lucas, yes, live here on the show. Absolutely brilliant. Fantastic. Let's get straight into the shares. The bell has now gone. Sensei rang the bell today on our show. Absolutely great. If you want to sponsor the channel and sponsor the show, you can do the same. Very, very exciting indeed. Look at that. Nice. It's good, wasn't it? You want to clip that and use that as a little feature. Brilliant. I love it. All right. I'm excited. I'm excited as well. I think it's great. I'm excited. Right, okay, let's see what's moving. Everyone loves it. There we go. Sensei loved it. ETORO loves it. There you go. Eric B loves it. Everyone loves it. Nice. There you go. A little surprise there for everybody. You didn't expect that, did you? Is Sensei in the studio? No, he's not. But Tabletop Joe doesn't sound very happy with you, though, does he? Tabletop Joe? Who's Tabletop Joe? What is Tabletop Joe? I'm confused. Anyway, let's see what's moving right now. Virgin Galactic, no surprise, is going down to $3. Good afternoon, Lucas Aids, Jeffrey Diamond. He loves it as well. Crag, you just missed ringing of the bell from Sensei Crypto live on the show. Very special moment. There you go. 2 new members in today as well. We've got new members in from Korea and in Turkey. Very, very exciting stuff. Tesla is falling back. I was hoping to take some profits from it, but right now it's not going to happen. We're still in the green on my Roth, but it's giving up at the moment. Lucid going back down. Apple, we are covering the earnings tonight. We're going to be there. I can't find the Peppy coin anywhere. Gage Sarp. So I can't really help you there right now, Gage. Sorry about that. We'll put more information about where you can get it later on. That might be helpful, wouldn't it? Top Rack, yes, they love it. All right, if you want to sponsor the channel, you can do it just for 1 month if you want to. You can have your very own ring the bell as well. Okay, Amazon is up 0.6 today. McDonald's is up today. Coca-Cola is up 0.2. I'm up 6% now. Let's look back at Apple, of course. Apple reports tonight. You might want to get some. We'll discuss that later on. Microsoft. Walmart. Tesco. Next Era Energy is up. I'm still down on my main position. The ad started just as you started to read my comment about Tabletop Joe. Did you see what he said? Tabletop Joe. I don't know who Tabletop Joe is. I have no idea who that is. Sensei, Sharp, Hubo, or Gate.io, or decentralized exchange like Uniswap, Pancake Swap. There you go. There you go. There's the information from Sensei Crypto, who is in charge, who runs our wonderful program, Enphase, on our crypto challenge. Up 2% on Enphase. Bitcoin is down 0.86. Tilray today. Tilray is up 0.63. We've had a couple of good days on it. Still out of the money though. But it's running away a little bit now. My Roth is down 5.43. Robinhood going down today. Oh, I love Robinhood. How much am I down by now? Let me just go to the Roth position. I'm down 10%. Wouldn't mind buying some more. I like this company. I think it has a good future. 8:30 now. Of course, it's going to report soon. Wow, it's if we look at it, look, It's down 21% over the last 3 months. Last month, 14%, 17% over the year. But if you look at it, though, 17% over the year, it's running along this track. This is kind of the bottom. 770. It's been as low as 689. How much low is it going to go? 5 years isn't really relevant. But you can see once it dropped off to around this sort of price, it's been pretty much sideways action right now. So, I don't know. Not a bad opportunity, perhaps. I've got a good enough position in it, and I didn't buy it for it to go up, 3 or 4%. I think this could easily triple over the next few years. So I'm holding it. I've got a reasonable position. We're not going to get carried away. Mullen hit 52-week low, and Wolf too can be a chance to get in. Mullen, I'm not really yet 10% down now. Mullen, let's bring Mullen on the screen very quickly. Here we go. This is Mullen today. I've got to be honest. I'm not a fan of this. I do have some, as you all know, for a bit of a lottery ticket, but I do see it as extremely speculative. This is my Mullen position. If I go into the main Roth IRA position, you can see I've got a little bit Mullen. In fact, I thought I had more than that. Mullen. 88 shares. Is it my main brokerage position? No, I don't have it in there. Can someone remind me? Because I can't remember now. I actually can't remember which of the... It's not a rival. Which I thought it was Mullen. I can't remember now. I have 2,000 shares of it. Thank you very much, Leah. There is my coffee. Good morning, everybody. This mug is featured in the chat today if you want to pick up a mug. We're up today 0.05. I have sent AAVE to wrong address, now lost forever. Oh, I just sent AAVE to wrong address, now lost forever. Well, hang on a minute. Who did you send it to? Surely they would send it back to you. Oh, I see. Oh, you've sent it to the wrong address. So you can't contact someone, can you? You don't know who they are, I guess. That's a shame. I just realized what you were saying there. Oh, how much did you send? Oh, I'm terrified to ask now. Sorry to hear that happens to the best of us. Oh, dear. Mullen hit 52-week low. SNGX, possible cup and handle, setting up due diligence. Mullen, reverse split. Oh, is that what it is? Yes, I was thinking, I'm sure I own something like that. It was Mullen. Right, you're absolutely right. Mullen. Okay, that's it. I was thinking, what on earth do I own? I remember now. Thank you. Right. So 16% today on this split. Aha. I have 88 shares. I'm with you. Okay. Yeah. So Mullen has gone down despite the split. Yeah. Down 15%. Wow. Mullen. Yeah. Thanks, Leah, says Mike. Thank you very much indeed. Carson with a K. Right. That was it. Thank you very much indeed for that. They did a reverse split. Okay, we need to cover Mullen today then. Let me have a little look. Let me bring Mullen up. Mullen. Let's do it right now. Thank you very much indeed for that information, folks. I did forget about it. They did a reverse split. So let's do a quick video for Mullen. And let's put that in. We've got the bell just gone 10 minutes ago. 109. 1.09. Mullen. Okay. Let's find some interesting news. MULN. Mullen stock. Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, it's being shorted now. Just reading the information here on it. Okay. Okay, let's have a quick look. This has just come out, so let's cover it right now. Let's do this news. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Ticker symbol MULN, Mullen Automotive. It's now behaving like a meme stock. A meme stock. Shall we have a look at it and see why? Well, today we've got the 1-to-25 reverse split, and that was designed to keep it in the market. Of course, that's what a reverse split does, and we don't want to see it go down the way it's gone down today. 14% is Mullen all but over. Well, let's have a look at it and let's see the news and let's go into some more detail. This is my Mullen position. I only have a small position in it. I sold out. I see it as an extremely risky lottery ticket. But here is the news just broken. Mullen Automotive, now a go-to meme stock, says influential trader. Mullen Automotive is attracting more meme-like attention from retail investors than traditional meme stock darlings, AMC Entertainment Holdings, GameStop, etc., etc. So, is it an opportunity to buy it? Is the company sound? And all the Redditors and all the meme traders are shorting it, driving it down. Is it an opportunity to buy this automotive company for next to nothing? Well, let's have a look at the market cap first of all, and then we'll look more at this news. Let's see how big or small Mullen really is today. Okay, so let's scroll down and have a quick look. Today's the average volume is 24 million, so far 11 million today, but this is in the first few moments of the bell going. So reverse split 125, not great news today for Mullen. Let me just see. I can't see where I'm looking. I'm probably looking right at it. There it is. Market cap 5.26 billion. There's the market cap. So let's go over to the news and have a little read. Okay, let's scroll down. Meme stock today, Mullen. Can you believe this? Mullen Automotive is attracting more meme-like attention from retail investors than traditional meme stock darlings, AMC and GameStop, etc. The electric vehicle company stock has become a meme go-to for retail investors, said the trader, who goes by the name of Obi. I've never heard of him. The trader participates in the Wall Street Bets group on Reddit under the Redditors. Here we go again. Let me just zoom in and make this a bit clearer for you. I don't know if I can make it a bit bigger. Yes, I can. There we go. Just improve that for you a little bit. There you go. Obi, who's making easy money YouTube channel, has over 28,000 subscribers. That's not very big. That's not a big YouTuber. I've only just started a year and a half, nearly 2 years now, and I'm just coming up to 6,000 or wherever I am now, nearly 7,000. this is not a big YouTuber, so you shouldn't give that too much credence. 28,000 is not a big YouTuber. Over 100,000 is when it starts getting serious. The Mullen down 15.11 is generating plenty of buzz across social media. When it comes to the meme stock world on Reddit, Twitter, and now even Facebook, groups are popping up calling themselves the Mullen Army. And he told the Market Watch, the trader said that less and less people are speaking about AMC Entertainment and GameStop. More and more people are talking about Mullen. They call it the meme that makes sense, he added. What do you mean by that? Let's have a look. Mullen shares have seen a dramatic spike in trading volume recently, with average trading volumes of 1.1 billion shares on Wednesday and 547.8 million shares over the past 5 days, according to the FactSet data. The stock's 65-day average trading volume is 279 million shares. Mullen ended Wednesday's session down 21% on the company's announcement of a reverse stock split. Well, what do you make of this? Is Mullen now a meme trading stock? Is it still a great company? Remember, it's always worth noting that the value of a company, and which is what I invest in, not the stock price, the value of the company. One, is it proprietary? Does it do something that nobody else does? Does it make money? Does it deliver a product that people need? Has it got cash on the balance sheet? Does it hold debt? Does it have a good CEO? Does it know where its direction is? Does it know what it is as a company? That sounds an obvious question, but it really isn't an obvious answer. Does it understand all of these things? Excuse me. And is it worth investing in? That is the value of the company. Warren Buffett famously bought great companies that were beat up on price. This is the price of the stock, not the value of the company. Of course, the stock price does give the actual value on paper, but the value to me is what the company actually do and what they make and so on and so forth, where they're going in the future. Between now and then, you've got traders doing this, shorting it, pumping it, dumping it all over the place. However, is this a trap? Is this an opportunity to buy a great company? Or is it a trap to buy a load of rubbish that's all going to zero anyway? What do you think? I would like your thoughts on it. If it's your very first time here, as always, smash the like button, but do subscribe to our channel. It really, really helps if you do that. But go below, leave me your comments, and I will reply to all of my members' comments priority. And if I get a chance, I will reply to everybody else's comment. And at the moment, I still do reply to everyone's comments. Are you on Reddit shorting and dumping this stock? Or are you an investor thinking, oh my God, I can buy a great EV company, the new Tesla, I don't know, for $135. And remember, it's at a reverse split of 1 to 25. So it's 25 times less that. So now we're virtually nothing. We're a couple of cents a share as it was just yesterday. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, there's Mullen. We'll put that out in a little bit. Let's read the comments. I saw 2,200 shares on your screen yesterday. Yes, there you go. That's what it is then. Thank you very much indeed. I had 1,000. Not good. They did a 125 reverse split. Sorry, Silver. Crypto address. You've got, I am sure. I meant Mull. Let me read the comments. 57 quid. Hey. $10 each. So $570. Oh, Silver Surfer is in pain today. I am so sorry to hear that. Sounds like it's time to get out. The Silver Surfer, isn't it possible the person will send it back? They should. Did not set up. But on watch today, no mate, totally wrong network. Tesla has dived as well. Let's have a little look. Tesla, 161, coming back up again. Oh, trying to come back up though, still up today. Hassan, Muln being to $400. Muln being to $400 back in 2021. Top Rack. Damn, says Top Rack. I have to go, Martin and mates. We'll be back later. Mike, thank you ever so much. How's your mum, by the way? ETORO. See you, Mike. Take care, Mike. Malk UK. It's a meme stock. Why doesn't it get more support instead of going down? SPY is also tanking. Tesla's coming back up again. Let's have a look. The S&P down, but coming back up again. I'm okay. The old saying, sell in May, seems correct this year. A lot of rubbish pump and dump stocks. Great to get in near bottom, then dump it for a profit. I'm glad I ditched Tesla in time. Check out Pac West. Real trouble brewing. The banking sector. Right after Powell said the sector is strong. Check out Pac West. What is Pac West? Is that a bank or what is that? Send me more information, please. A quick sip of coffee. Thanks, Leah. Welcome our guests on Rumble today. We have 14 watching. I have 36 followers over there on Rumble. Thank you very much indeed. 36. It's only been a few days, so I appreciate you very much indeed. No surprise, all market will sink in red, but now the question is, who will hike up before the close? Hasbro has been good for a couple of weeks, says Jason Fallon. Surprised you didn't read the news. Biggest news in the market at present. Have a look at the price. Okay, next bank to fall and won't be the last. Okay, let's have a look. Which bank was it? PacWest. Okay, let me have a quick look then. Let's have a little look. PacWest. P-A-C-W-E-S-T. Oh, Pacific. Sorry. Yeah, I didn't put the PacWest together. Pacific Western Bank. Let's have a look at this right now. Pacific Western Bank, the next bank to collapse. Let's have a look at that. Let's see if we can research that. The overall market. Let me go over to Google. Always helpful. PacWest. Let's have a little look. Pacific. PACW stock. Let's have a little look. Regional banks continue to slide. Okay. Okay, let's have a little look. More banks collapsing. Like you say, Jerome Powell yesterday said everything was great, and that didn't quite turn out, did it? Anyway, let's bring ourselves up to date. Get a time, 1:21. 1:21 PACW. Okay. Let's have a look at this. Okay. I think we've got everything we need. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Pacific Western Bank down today. 41.74 right now. It's been lower. The day after Jerome Powell said all the banks are fine. The overall markets, my overall portfolio is just down slightly. I'm very happy. I'm fine. I'm holding my position. But let's have a look. Why has another bank going down the toilet? Well, we can see it right now and we can discuss the news. Let's have a quick look and at Pacific Western Bank. Let's go over to the news right now. Regional bank stocks continue to slide on Thursday, with Pacific West leading the way down 40%. Oh my gosh. Let me do that again. Regional bank stocks continue to slide on Thursday, with PacWest leading the way down 40%. This is the news this morning. Let's go into it. Let's zoom in, make it a bit clearer for you. There you go. Make it a bit clearer. There you go. The rout in regional banks picked up steam again on Thursday morning today, with several stocks suffering sizable losses. PacWest sank 45% in early trading and was halted for volatility. The slide began on Wednesday evening following news that Los Angeles-based bank was exploring strategic options, including a potential sale. Let's scroll down, see if we can get some more information. Here we go. The bank said in a statement that it will continue to evaluate all options to maximize shareholder value. PacWest's strategic review was first reported by Bloomberg News and later confirmed by CNBC, and then me. Meanwhile, Tennessee-based First Horizon also fell 38% after the regional lender and TD Bank announced that they were terminating their merger agreement. The bank said in a press release that the move was due to uncertainty around when TD would receive regulatory approval for the deal and was not related to First Horizon. Well, we can see this morning the overall portfolio is not too bad. Let me have a look at my S&P position. Let's have a look. This is my VU. This is what I hold. It's down 0.52. I'm still up in the money on it. I'm not changing my position. So what do you think? Yesterday we heard from Jerome Powell saying that everything was fine with the banks. The day after, this is what happened. It just shows there is more pain to come. The S&P is down a little bit. I am looking to buy a share of the S&P when it hits 370. That is an entry point for me. I've got a buy order ready to go. But I'd like your thoughts on this. Smash the like button. I will reply to all your comments. And if you are new here and you like this sort of content, consider subscribing and ringing the bell. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every day. Another bank hits the ground. Pacific Western Bank. Is it just a drop in price today? Or is the bank going to go bust? What do you think? Leave me your thoughts below. Join us live every day. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. What have we got here? West Bank Financials, West. So will the banking woes bring a sharp correction? Hold tight. Next bank to fall won't be the last. Says 22. Guys, are my messages showing or is Martin just blanking me? No, I just read it. I read all the comments. No, they are showing. Keaton S., I read everyone. I see you, Keaton. Thanks. I was starting to think I was invisible after changing my profile. Something. That's okay then. Just being blank then. You're not being blanked. Jerome tried to cover up the truth. I read everyone's comments. I don't miss anything. I don't think so anyway. I literally go down the list. I aim not to miss any comments, but, I'm not perfect, I guess. Anyway. First Republic is halted as well. Dear, oh dear. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Rivian, Tesla. The S&P, I've got to buy, got a buy order at 370. Did you smash the like button? That's probably what it is. That's probably what it is. He never smashed the like button and now he's being blanked. That's your own fault. That's your own fault. No, I see all the comments come through. Martin, when is space earnings? I am covering it live on the show. If you go below the homepage of the channel, here is the upcoming live streams. There. We've got Apple this afternoon. There you go. There is the answer. Next week's busy. Look at next week. May the 8th, Lucid. May 9th, Virgin Galactic. May 10th, Robinhood. May 11th, IonQ. May 15th, Rumble. And May 16th, Arrival. Talk about covering all the earnings. Oh, yes. Talk about covering all the earnings. What do you think of that? So go to the homepage of the YouTube channel. Look there. There are there's all the information there for you. All right. Okay. Let's go back to the main portfolio. He knows my stance on that. If he says tap it, then I would. Martin, when the space ends? I answered that question. Seen video by T Claus last night. Was good. Watch this. Watch. He seems to think flights are looking good. To be on track. Time to load up. Are you talking about space? Well, I've got enough invested to balance my portfolio. I'm happy with that. How many? That can't be right. Surely we only had 61 through the show, 62. Very quiet today. People don't like the red days. 62 through the show. We try to get 200 through the show. I tell you what, my channel's really suffered since I was off for a week. So at least now, I've got that fixed by buying, a new computer and having a backup. So that won't happen again. If you're reliable every day, you need to be reliable every day. I've just gained another subscriber though, so that's nice. How many people are watching? 30. 30 watching on YouTube. And we have, how many do we have on Rumble? We have 13. What's going to win today? Rumble at 13? Or do we have YouTube at 29? There you go. If you're on YouTube now or Rumble, please smash the like button. It really, really helps my channel. By smashing the like button, it shares it to more people and really, really helps. All right, there you go. Let's see if we can get to 30 likes. We've got 21 likes right now. And last week, my computer broke. I had to spend $4,000 on a new computer, which I can't really afford. Well, I can't really afford. I definitely can't afford. But I did it because I want reliability and consistency to the show. And now I've got a backup. Crag, if space earnings go good, I'll trim off and load up on the rum for next week. There we go. We're covering all of the earnings that you want to follow. Drop kick that like button, Eric B. Top rat, only green thing on my screen is my monitor green on light. I know. It's tough, isn't it, right now? We're still in a bear market. We've been here for a year and a half now. It's just been... it's been doom and gloom, no question about it. Martin, BP report, massive quarterly profit. Is oil a buy at this time? I have got CVX. I'm not really a fan of oil. I own Exxon, Chevron, sorry. I own a little bit. I think it's worth owning, but I got to be honest. It's not really for me. I only invest in what you believe in and what you understand and what you really get your teeth into. And I'm not interested in oil. I've got to be honest. So for me, I'm not an investor in oil. It's not for me. But then who knows? Okay, is there a glitch on YouTube or something? As Martin has just read every comment around mine, but not mine. Trying fifth time lucky now. I've read every single comment. What is going on? Are you winding me up? I've read rewind the video. Keaton S, I've read every one of your comments. I think he's behind the stream. I don't know what's going on here. Keaton S, what are you talking about? I don't know what's going on. Or something. I mean, I'm speaking. we might have a glitch when it comes to, what comments I may or may not see, but me actually speaking, there's no glitch on that. What I say comes out of my mouth. You hear it, right? It doesn't edit what I say. I don't think so anyway. I've never heard of that. Anyway, Pacific Western Bank is just coming up slightly. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. $160. It's still green. Promise I'm not winding you up. It's not showing you my reply to you. Promise I'm not winding you up. Is it not showing you my reply to you telling who Tabletop Joe is? Well, just write it again now. I can't scroll back 5,000 comments. Just write it now. Write it now and I'll read it out. Come on, guys. Give that button a Kung Fu, you mean a Kung Fu kick? Kung Fu kick. I can only read out what you say, guys. Let's have a quick look to see if Pepe is still going up. Oh my flipping word. Look at this. More updates here. Look, Pepe's now 603%. Flipping heck. Pepe's exploding today. 63% today. Look at that. There you go. If you got a bit of that, you'd be enjoying it, wouldn't you? Don't take it personal, Kate. He doesn't read my comments sometimes. Red Days, don't you short market for daily gain? I don't do shorting. Shorting is not for me. I do loan out my stocks, so I earn money from people who do like to short, but I don't short. No, it's not my thing. It's not what I do. I don't do options trading. I don't short stocks. I just buy, hold, trim off the top, reinvest dividends, earn interest. That's me. That's my style of investing. Okay, that's what I do. Anyway, for the love of God, that is the 6th time I've typed it now. I've typed that now. Can you only assume it's being hidden from you on chat or some reason? Is Eric deleting or something? I don't see it coming through. No, I mean, your comments are coming through. I tell you what it could be, Keaton S. If you're writing something that is that I'm not seeing, it's possibly because it contains a link. And let me demonstrate that for a moment. Keaton S, just for a moment, I will make you a moderator, right? I will make you a moderator just for a moment, okay? There you go. Keaton S, I just made you a moderator. So if you the only people that can delete your comments, by the way, are moderators. So I've now just made you a moderator. So do the same comment again. Do exactly the same comment. And I bet you any money you like, you were doing a comment with a link in it or something offensive or a bad word. That's why it wasn't showing. That's why I wasn't seeing it. And that's why I can't read it out. So there you go. Thanks. I didn't post a link. Okay, well, do it again now. Do it again now, because I'm now reading your comment as a moderator, all right? See what happens. The following comment is the same comment. There you go. I see it now. You missed my reply. Table retweeted. He had a little to add about it. There you go. I'm reading it out, but it's not a full comment, is it? You missed the reply. Tabletop Joe retweeted your tweet. Oh, Tabletop Joe retweeted your tweet about Rumble, and he had a little to add about... Oh, did he? Did he? Well, let me go and have a look. Right. That was just a temporary moderator badge. It was just a temporary one. Keaton S, no disrespect, but I have a specific way to select moderators. I did it just to allow Keaton S the chance to test his links. So maybe I'll add you back again another point. Anyway, sorry about that. Right, let's have a look. I've got a question here from Top Rack as well. I will answer your question. Please kindly name top 2 shares for lifetime dividend earnings. Thanks in advance. Well, that's easy. That's very, very easy. That's the S&P 500, VU, the S&P 500, and Johnson & Johnson, J&J. They are 2 stable parts of my portfolio that holds the portfolio up. It gives me a guaranteed growth, guaranteed dividend, always paid out, always will, solid, reliable. That's the fundamental balance of my portfolio. Absolutely right. So there you go. Now then, I will go and look now. Do you think the links have been hidden or a bad thing? Post links in Rumble chat. Can post links? Yes. Oh, do you think the links are being hidden is a good or bad thing? Can post. Try that. Go and try that. It's a good little test for Rumble. If you want to post a link to me, try it on Rumble. There you go. There's Rumble right now. That's me live on Rumble right now. See if you can post a link in Rumble, just as a matter of course. Maybe you're over-explaining and Martyn has just jumped over it in the moment. And Coca-Cola, yes, agreed. Very odd it blocked that comment so many times. No link, no swear word, nothing offensive, etc. Right, well, let me go over now to Twitter. And you said they my Rumble link was retweeted. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Tabletop Joe. Tabletop Joe. Another day, another attack, nothing new. Pretty sure you aren't going to pull views on Rumble by attacking the platform. Woe is me. I'm not getting views and engagement, so it must be a scam. What a joke. Tabletop Joe. Let's have a look. Oh, who's this guy? He's got 3 followers. He's a nobody. There you go. Who's this guy here? It's a guy with no followers or no comments or no tweets, or he just follows people. Okay. Tabletop Joe. Well, I will reply out of courtesy. So I will reply to Tabletop Joe. Why not? Here we go. Hi there. This was not an attack. I was just reporting the facts. Let me just zoom in a minute so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Just reporting the facts. I have spoken with the CEO of Rumble. Because of this video. So now I understand. Oops, a daisy. What's going on? I have made a follow-up video. Okay. There you go. I've replied to him. And Tabletop Joe has retweeted it. Anyway, there we go. Click on the Rumble tweet. Just do my due diligence to let you know. I appreciate it. And I tell you what, that's brilliant because I will put that video out shortly and it'll be good. It'll be very, very useful. Let's go back to Tesla right now. Let's check in on Tesla. Yes, we're down now. What are the riskiest stocks at the moment? Well, I would say well, of course, Mullen is extremely risky. Arrival is risky. Any meme coin, like Pepe this morning, anything like that is just purely gambling and speculative. Virgin Galactic is extremely risky. Virgin Galactic could run out of money if it doesn't have successful flights. It's a rocket company. It only needs one accident. Let's just be absolutely clear. If an airline crashes a plane, the airline is fine because it's had millions of successful flights. If, however, Virgin Galactic fly next month with a paying customer and it blows up in air, terrible thing, the company is finished. So it's a rocket company. It absolutely has to have success. Absolutely has to have success. So it's very, very risky. Links working in Rumble chat. Is that right? Let's have a look. Links working in Rumble chat. Aha! Yes, they are. Look at this. This is very, very interesting. Links working in Rumble chat. They do. They allow you to put links into Rumble chat. There you go. So this is interesting. Let me do that right now. Okay. Okay. Very, very interesting stuff. The S&P is diving. I've got 2 cents to go, and I'm about to buy some S&P. It's all tanking. It's all about patience. So let's do that now. So I'm going to jump in here, and a really good feature. See, you see what I'm doing now? Look, I'm making friends with the CEO. I'm making friends. I mean, at the end of the day, I report the facts as they are, and if they're good, I say they're good. If they're bad, I'll say they're bad. So this is great for Rumble, and I will put it and send it to the CEO, and hope he'll come on the show. So let's do this right now as a quick update. We'll put Rum on the screen. We'll put Rum on the screen, and we'll report on that because that is very, very useful information. Thank you very much for letting me know. Right. Okay. Let's do it now. Let's go here. And I'm going to share this. Okay, here we go. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, Rumble, ticker symbol RUM. I've just spoken to, via Twitter, Chris Pavlovsky, the CEO of Rumble. And thank you very much for speaking with me, Chris, and telling me more about your platform, Rumble. I've just discovered a new exciting feature on Rumble, which YouTube doesn't do. Look at this. This is me live right now on Rumble. And if you look here in the top right-hand corner, what you will see, look, you can actually post links in the live chat. You can't do that on YouTube. That is a service that you actually can't do. These are some of my viewers right now. You can do it if you are a moderator on YouTube, but you can't do it as a regular viewer. So it's very, very useful. Now, obviously, if people take advantage of that and abuse that, then of course you could always block those people and so on and so forth, make them moderators or what have you. But another new feature I've just discovered on Rumble is you can actually post comments, links in the chat. Pretty good. So this is me running live on Rumble right now. If you'd like to follow me over there, it's rumble.com, Martyn Lucas Investor, or Martyn Lucas for my music channel, the same as it is here on YouTube. And you can go and check it out. Pretty good. A nice feature. And thank you, Chris, for responding to me on Twitter and answering my question. There you go, another new feature on Rumble. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Let's come back to your comments. Links working in YouTube chat. Yes, they are. I just read an article from the Hack Day. They said Virgin Galactic returns to flight cautiously. Yes, indeed it will do. With Virgin, what scenario could make a multiplier in the short term? Successful flights, tests, announcing spikes in bookings, all of the above. All of the above, absolutely. Also celebrity guest lists, absolutely. If you get some publicity on the stock, then the stock could fly. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Not show my comments in Rumble chat. Well, let me go over and have a little look. Let's have a look. It may be you've not signed in because these people are able to chat. Who's Midnight Oil? Who's George Hari? And we know who Top Rack is. Top Rack is here in our channel, one of our members. Maybe you've not followed me yet. Maybe it only allows you if you follow me. Maybe you have to be a follower. I don't know. Maybe that's what you got to do. Craig, go and try it. Follow me and then try and comment. Maybe that's the reason. Let me know. I'd like to know. Be very useful if you would let me know. Whoops, a daisy. Okay. Craig, I see your comments. I think it's a positive thing. Can only post links in comments on YouTube. Can only post links in comments on YouTube. Now, here we go. Craig, here you are. There's your links. There's your link. Yes, be great if Chris done a call in on the show, wouldn't it? There you go. I can only post links in comments on YouTube. No, there's your comments. Right there, look. There you are. I just had to refresh the screen. Brilliant. All is well. Someone said yesterday his comments weren't showing. I just refreshed it, and now it is. It's all good. Rumble's doing well. The S&P taking a dive. I've got a buy order here on my Roth. Look. 370. 370. There is my buy order. All-time low. Wow, banks are dropping fast. Yeah, we're getting a big drop today. So I'm buying the S&P. If it goes to 370, it's got another $1.50 to go. Oh, my gosh. So, it's quite a drop right now. Look at PACW. Yep, I know. Look at that. It's down 52%. The banks are collapsing again today. It's a big, big day, isn't it? 371. A couple of bucks to go, and I will pick up another share of the S&P. We're just going to hold. It's going to be a decent enough discount to make it worth my while. Eric B has just come in. Look, Eric B, this is fantastic. Hello, everyone over on YouTube. There you go. Look at that, Eric B. Thank you ever so much indeed. Now then, I want to make some of you a moderator. Manage. So, Eric B, I want to see if I can do this now. I want to see if I can make you a moderator. How can I do it? How can I do it? Let me come back to my trading screen and I want to see. You don't need to buy, Martin. Eric 22's warning me. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Let's have a quick look now. Let's see if I can make Eric B a... you can't seem to do it in the live chat for some reason. Account overview. Let's see if I can do it. It says here, moderators. How can I add someone? Add a user. So, Eric B3. Eric B3. Let's see if this works. Eric B3. Eric B3. Aha! I found you. That's how you do it. You do it. You have to do it through Eric, I've made you a moderator now. At least I hope so. Okay, I think I've done it now. Eric? Go and check. I think you're a moderator now. We're watching the S&P. $1.27 to go. Yeah, I don't know where your spanner is. It seems a bit weird. I bet it's made you a moderator of my channel. I don't know how to log in as the channel. That's the trouble. At the moment I'm logged in as me, and these are my channels. But I think I've made you a moderator on probably my account. I don't know how to be logged in as myself, as the channel. It's weird. I suppose it's some in time I'll suss it out. But anyway. Anyway, there will just be one big bank in the US at this rate. 371. Watching it go down. Rumble's a bit confusing. You have your own account and then you have the channels that you're on. So I'm a bit uncertain how to make you a moderator, because I think I'm in as myself. It's kind of weird. I don't know why I'm in as myself. Anyway. We'll have to work that out. The S&P Pacific, 56% now. A one world currency incoming, says Crag. Virgin Orbit, Rivian. I'm back. Thanks, Eric. Tesla. Down. Lucid. So nothing's gone cheap enough and nothing's taken profit. We've got Apple today down 1.28. We are covering the Apple earnings tonight. If you want to join us, this is live tonight. Here is the Apple earnings. If you want to be with us, here we go. There's already people there looking at it. There you go. There's the video for tonight. Let me come back to the main screen, and we've got a request here from one of our members. Look at CRE, please. KRE. Prudential Financial is down quite a bit, over 4%. ETORO. Look at CRE, please. KRE. Okay, let's have a look. KRE. KRE. There we go. This is SPDR and S&P Regional Banking Fund, down 9.33%. If you want to buy a bank fund like this, you can. Let's get some more information on it. CRE tracks an equal weighted index of US regional banking stocks. The listed name is for CRE is SPDR and S&P Regional Banking ETF. I'm not so sure I'd want to be buying this. Would you? New York Central Community Bank. Do you recognize any of these banks? These are regional banks. I'm not sure I'd want to be in any of these. 30-day yield, 4.2 on the dividend. Not bad at all there. But let's have a look at it over the last 5 years. There you go. It's back down. Blimey, it's down 44% over 5 years. Would you want to be Would you want to buy a chart like that? Bloody hell. Not so sure that's for me. Hope for Apple earnings being okay is all that's keeping SPY from free falling. If you're buying SPY now, you're gambling on Apple. Well, I have to gamble on Apple. I went in to the Apple store yesterday, 2 days ago, and bought a Mac Studio, spent $4,000. Yeah, they got loads of money. And let me tell you something, the Apple store is rammed. The Apple store, the mall was empty. Nobody walking around the mall. They're all in the Apple store. You've never seen anything like it. Apple's packed. So Apple's doing all right. People are still buying new iPhones, I tell you that. So don't worry about that. People are still buying iPhones. No question about that at all. Mullen is still going down. S&P. Craig doubted it. It's too much nationalism. Let's have a look here. If you're buying a SPY now, you're gambling on Apple. Craig, doubt it, too much nationalism. What was the answer to that question? A one world currency incoming. What do you think, says Craig? This is sick, doesn't agree with that. Mullen, Virgin Galactic. VU, got $1.21 to go if I want to buy it at $3.70. Okay. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla, 160. Doesn't want to go past 160, does it? I'm out of the money now. You could argue. I could take a loss at $202. It's a fair comment. Take a loss, $200, and get my money out. I mean, it's a lot of money. Look, it's $3,000. $2,724. Take a loss, accept it, move on. Maybe Tesla is now, well, we know it's overvalued. Gold hit all-time high, then pull back. I've got some gold, as you know, just a little bit. Powell yesterday, the resolution and sale of First Republic is an important step forward, drawing a line under that period of severe stress. LOL, that didn't age well. 22, love it. That was just yesterday. Mullen may go bankrupt. Yes, Mullen may go bankrupt. I'd be very surprised if Mullen stays afloat now. Can you do a poll on Apple, up or down? Of course I can. Of course I can. The reason why, Eric, I think you haven't got a spanner on Rumble The only thing I can think of is I am in as myself, not in as Martyn Lucas Investor. See, if I go high in Rumble right now, it says Martyn Lucas, which is me, my profile, and I own the, I have the channels, but I don't think I'm signed in as the channel, but I don't know how you can sign in as the channel. It's all part of the same account. So I don't know. I've made you a moderator, but I think I've made you a moderator to my channel because I can actually stream to my personal channel. I don't understand the difference and how you log in to the channel under the channel name, if that makes sense. It's all one account. I'm unclear of how that is. There's no way it's allowing me to change. I've only got 2 channels, and I've made you a moderator on one of them on this channel, but I just don't seem to be able to be in there. So I'm unclear. Anyway, whatever. I will work it out in time. Can I do a poll? Yes, of course I can. Can I do a poll? Apple, up or down? Start a poll. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll do the poll on Twitter. I will do the poll on Twitter. Apple, here we go. We'll do a poll, a vote now on Apple. Okay, so we'll start off with the AAPL. Apple earnings tonight. Join us live. Will Apple go up or down on earnings? Okay. We will put that in the poll. Let me give the usual links. I've got a little way of doing this now, which gives me a little, where is it? Twitter post. Here it is. Okay. There we go. Create that and put that in there. And there we go. Apple earnings tonight. Join us live. Will Apple go up or down on earnings? We're going to run a poll. Up or down. Okay. We'll run it just for one day because it's for today, obviously. And there we go. We'll tweet that. Okay. Okay, there we go. There is the poll. Let's get your thoughts on that. So, Apple earnings, is it going to go up or down today? And let's send you the link to it if you'd like to take part in our tweet. There you go. Is Apple up or down today? I'll post it a couple of times so you can see it. Is Apple going up or down today? I'll also give this link over on Rumble. Do you think Apple is going up today or down on the earnings? I've just posted it in the chat. I'd like your thoughts on my Twitter account. Do you think Apple's going up or down on the earnings? I honestly don't know the answer to that, but I will buy more if it goes lower. And if it goes up considerably, I will trim a little bit off the top. I think that would be the sensible way to go in the current climate that we are in. Let me just adjust that. There we go. All right. The S&P, $1.25 before I buy a share of the S&P. Running the poll right now, Eric. Imagine you had half in gold and silver, better than cash and stocks right now. Following on Rumble. Hey, Bill. Bill is in Rumble today. Come into the live chat, Bill. Let's see if Bill pops into Rumble. Hello, Bill. We're live on Rumble right now. Now, come into the live chat. Say hello. Love to see you. All right. Hi, everyone. Stephen Lewandowski's been on holiday. You missed a big event today. We rang the New York Stock Exchange bell. In fact, we're going to say better than that. We rang the Martyn Lucas Investor bell, as sponsored today by Sensei Crypto. You missed it. Where have you been? I guess I'm invisible again and Rumble. You're not invisible. No one's invisible. I see all the comments. It's all coming in. Who's Midnight Oil? Is that you, Bill? I don't know. People change their names. I don't know who Midnight Oil is, do I? I haven't got a flipping clue. Look, these are the comments coming in on the live chat on Rumble. Midnight Oil, I know who Top Rack is because he's called Top Rack on everywhere else. He's a member, of course. But I don't know who Midnight Oil is. I haven't got a flipping clue, have I? Is that you, Bill? You're not invisible anywhere. Hi, Bill. It's 4:39. I am here. 4:39. I thought you were in Hawaii. Where are you now then? Anyway, Bill, saw you spent $5,000 on a drone. When is it coming back? I've got my drone for sale, by the way. I just found you today. Midnight All said, I just found you today. Thank you very much indeed. Lovely to have you here. Welcome. I'm live 10 hours a day. I have this channel and my music channel. Martyn Lucas is my music channel. I'm the World Piano Man. And it's great to have you here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, if anybody wants to buy my drone, I can put it on eBay for you. And I need to sell some stuff to pay for my computer. So if anybody wants to buy my drone, make me an offer and I'll sell it to you. It's brand new. I've used it like twice. Right? Got all the accessories. It's mint condition. I need to... Anyway. Everything going rubbish. War to end before anything gets back to normal. Indeed. Legal here, Bill. Now... yes, Hawaii. So how is it 4:39 in the morning? Hi, Bill. It's 4:39 a.m. here. If you're in Hawaii, it can't be 4 in the morning, can it? Oh, hang on a minute. 9, 8, 7. No, it's 7 o'clock, isn't it? It's not 4 in the morning. I don't know. Anyway. Hi, Stephen. How's the holiday? Get it Tuesday, says Bill. I thought someone brought... No, they dropped out. I never heard from them again. They said they were going to buy it, and they never did. Was it Fight Channel? Someone was going to buy it. Anyway, what drone? I guess shipping to UK would be too much. Well, whatever it is, probably about $30, I would imagine. What drone is it? It's a Mavic Pro. Look, here it is. Look, mint condition. It's perfect. It's a Mavic DJI Mavic Pro. Not a mark on it. It's like brand new. Got all the car accessories, all the spare batteries, all the packs. You can put batteries on a plane. You name it. It's mint condition, and I need to sell it to pay for my computer. So anyway, I'd be interested depending. Yeah, it's look. I shouldn't take it out because you can never get it back in again. All right, look, we're watching the S&P, trying to get it for 370, but I'm not jumping all over it. I'm going to wait. Look, there you go, brand new. Look, not a mark on it. See that? Look, not a mark on it. I think I used it twice. There you go. All right. Okay, makes sense. Anyway, back on with the show. I shouldn't have got it out the bag. It takes me ages to get it back in again. Anyway, never mind. U.S. Treasury official. U.S. banking system has substantial liquidity and deposit flows are stable. That's what the U.S. Treasury says. Yes, sold my Mavic 3 first edition of the Mavic Pro with some awesome cameras. Here coming the calming statement from officials. The nasty investor. Did I miss the nasty investor? Apparently this is the right time in Hawaii. Apparently that is the right time in Hawaii. Well, I'm only 2 hours ahead of Hawaii, so I'm confused. It's 9:45 in the morning. Doesn't make sense. Cost me $36 to ship my Mini to Chicago. There you go. I'd definitely be interested, Keaton S. Okay. Right, well, you can have it. Just make me an offer, and I'll. Where are you in the world, Keaton S? Where are you in the world? I want about $500 for it. It's worth about $800. I'll take $500 from one of my members. So if you do me a cash app or right now, I'll send it to you today. Can you directly fly it to the buyer? Yes, I can. I can fly it directly. Bill, drones, how much is your DJI Mavic second-hand worth? Shouldn't be too dear to ship. Ali, don't sell it through eBay though, Martin. If it's not someone you know, the fees will. Yes, if anybody wants it here, just tell me. Why do the adverts start every time I'm super interested in something? Missed everything you just said about the drone. I'm back. If you want to buy the drone, make me an offer. Where are you? Where are you in the world? I'm in the UK. Don't mind shipping. Okay. Well, I want about $500 for it. Okay, make me an offer. Do me a cash app and I'll send it to you. The nasty investor was buying your... Oh, that was it. The nasty investor. Yes, he just didn't come back to me. I'm in the UK. Don't mind. Okay. 500 Canadian. 500 Canadian. What's that in US? Nasty investor is the person is the person buying the drone. Right, it's going up now. I need to get the money to pay for my computer. So 500 Canadian. Let me see what that is. What's Canadian in US dollars? USD Canadian. Okay, here we go. Canadian dollar. Here we go. I'm going to just translate it. First person that gives me a decent, fair price, I'll sell it to you right now. Canadian dollar. Okay, US dollar. Okay. So I asked 500, which is a very reasonable price. That's 679 in Canadian. Oh, thank you. $500. Yeah, yes. It's no. I won't sell it. I won't sell it for $360. No, I'm prepared to do a really good deal, but I'm not going to give it away. It's brand new. Hello, family. Sorry I'm late. How are you? Good to see you, Zach. Didn't they do away with eBay fees, or is it just in some countries? 360 says Sensei. Can you send a link or spell out the exact model, please, so I can just read up on it? Can you send a link or spell out the exact model? Yep, it is. It's So it's a Mavic DJI Mavic Pro model M1P. M1P. If you can find it cheaper, I'll sell it to you for that price. All right, I'm happy to do that. So it's a DJI Mavic Pro. I'm not trying to take advantage of anyone. I'll do it for the best price you can find it. DJI Mavic Pro. What did I say it was? M1P. Okay. If you go and Google that now and find out M1P. There you go. There it is. If you find it and share me the link and say, hey, I can buy it on Amazon for 400, I'll sell it to you for 400. But or whatever it is. You know, I will always sell it you the best price. Western Alliance, the report of the deal talks absolutely false. Went up on this. Western Alliance, the report of the deal talks absolutely false. Will you take Pepe? It's older technology. Genuinely subject to the spec. Genuinely subject to the spec, I will buy it. Okay. How to reduce unnecessary losses in the current US stock market and increase... Oh, hang on. That's we don't want that. That's rubbish. You should do a paid on Discord. Martyn's Marketplace. Well, I have. I've got an eBay shop. DJ Mav. Oh, there you go. I've given you the details. If you find it for less, tell me, Keaton S, and I'll sell it to you for less. All right. I don't want to take advantage of anyone, or you know. I just need to sell it to pay for my computer, and one of you is going to get a great deal because it is brand new. It's perfect. I just can't afford to keep it. I need to make some money to pay for my computer. Apple is going up. Is it the Fly More combo? Yes, it's got everything. It's got the spare batteries, it's got the case, it's got the charger, the car kit, extra batteries, everything. All right? Well, just do an auction then. Just name your price, guys. And then whoever gives me the best deal, I'll sell it to you right now. Okay? Would be good for members to trade silver and gold. Yeah, would be good. That would be funny, right? Okay. Welcome our guests. Midnight All say, just found me. It's lovely to meet you, by the way. Midnight All, thank you so much indeed. J&J, let's check my overall position. I'm just waiting for one of you to give me an offer, and I'll do it, and I'll put it in the post today. I need the money. I need the money really quickly because I can't afford this computer, and I've got to pay the tax for the first month and the first $300 12-month fee. So I've got to find $600 this month to pay that bill, and I haven't got it. So if anybody wants it, let me know. Martyn trying to flog a drone during market. Yeah, Martyn trying to flog a drone during market. Hey, this is a money channel. 22, this is a money channel, right? We're making money. We're spending money. Everything money. Everything money. 22, this is a money channel. Oh, bloody hell. Western Alliance has been halted. Mullen is down. Pacific Bank. Let's have a look at it right now. The overall position is okay. I didn't get a discount, did I? I didn't get a cheap stock of the S&P. Didn't go low enough. Sell some stocks. What? Sell stocks that are losing money. I can't do that. I can't do that. No. Virgin Orbit. Rivian. Pacific Bank, look, it's starting to come up a little bit. Why do you prefer VU? Why do I prefer VU? Well, for me, the S&P 500 is by far the most important part of my portfolio. If you see here on my brokerage account, it plays a part of 41%. It's a good dividend, and the S&P is what you want. Whether you buy it on the SPY, whether you buy it on VOO, it's irrelevant. For a small trader like me, a retail investor like me, it makes no difference whether you buy SPY or VOO. It doesn't matter. You might go, well, they're a different price. They're a different price, but they're exactly the same. They came in at different points. That's all. It's exactly the same, and it's micro cents difference. There is, if you are going to trade in and out of the S&P all the time, then SPY has slightly more liquidity. For traders who are in and out every 5 minutes, but again, it's micro cents difference. It's hardly any difference whatsoever. I prefer VOO because I just tend to hold it. I trim off the top from time to time. I buy a bit more if it goes down, but essentially I hold it. I trade it on my Roth IRA because I can sell it tax-free. My main account, I'd pay tax on it for capital gain, so I don't sell it on. I don't sell it really on my brokerage account. I just sell it on my Roth IRA. So it makes no difference whatsoever whether you do VOO or SPY. Arguably, though, if you are a big trader and you're trading millions of shares all the time, SPY would be slightly better for you. But I'm a small trader, you know, a small investor, retail investor. It makes no difference whatsoever. I like VOO, but again, it makes no difference which way around you do it. They both work out the same. If you are like me, however, and you don't trade as much as a full-time professional trader, then VOO is slightly cheaper because of the less liquidity. It's slightly cheaper. So again, hardly any. When I say cheaper, I don't mean that the actual price of the stock. I mean the expense ratio. It's slightly cheaper, has slightly less fees. So it is advantageous to me as a small investor who's not doing millions of trades a day. Anyway, there you go. Top Rack says, very weird on Bloomberg, 5 headlines. Western Alliance 4 says they look for help, and the 5th one says all news on that are false. Unbelievable. What is going on? What is going on? So, there's my position. The S&P didn't quite go low enough. I was going to buy it at 370. Western Pacific is starting to move up. Virgin Galactic only buy it at $3. Virgin Orbit down today. Rivian down today. Tesla desperate to sell it at 189. I'd love to sell 2 shares at 189. Any of you tell me what the price of my drone is worth and I'll sell it to you for that. Apple going up today. Amazon also going up. McDonald's. Coca-Cola. J&J. Good defensive stocks. That's where we are right now. Google. I trimmed off yesterday. You may remember. And I'm glad I did. I took some profits yesterday. They only just released on announcement that the news about a buyer is false. Market jumped on it. Incredible, isn't it? Incredible. Microsoft up 0.42. Walmart still too expensive for me right now. Tesco. If only I'd kept my Tesco shares. They since I sold them, up 7%. In fact, up 20%. I sold down here. Anyway. It's good. It's the Walmart of the UK. I like to own a bit of England. It makes me feel good. Next era energy. It's the #1 supermarket in the UK, so it's all good. Right, I think it's time to get off. I've got some videos to put out. Thank you very much for joining me. We are back for the closing bell, and we're also back, of course, for the earnings. Let's see how the poll is going on Twitter. So if you've not taken part in our poll yet, we're running a poll on Twitter. Apple earnings tonight. Join us live. Will Apple go up or down on the merge? Up or down? We have 8 votes, and it's 50-50. Someone has retweeted it. Thank you very much indeed. Who has retweeted it? Let's have a little look. I can see who's retweeted it. Retweet. Eric B. Thank you, Eric. It's always Eric. Appreciate Eric very much indeed. I don't think Apple is bringing in the money like they used to. I don't know. How much money have I just spent? LOL. I'm not sure about that. Okay, because as you know, I just spent a lot of money. I'm only joking, by the way. I know that my one purchase doesn't change the stock, but there you go. It doesn't go against it though, does it? Let's put it that way. Anyway, so thank you very much for voting. If you've not yet voted on that poll, continue to vote. Be interesting to see. 50-50 at the moment. There is the Twitter poll, and let me put that on Rumble for our guests over there. Midnight Oil, you're very welcome. There is my Twitter poll if you want to vote. I wonder if Midnight Oil voted on our poll, and was it 9? Oh, there we get. Yeah, 610. I just gained a new follower. Thank you very much indeed on my Twitter account. I think that this next earnings call could make or break the Virgin Galactic stock price. I absolutely agree with you 100%. Offer is 500 Canadian dollars. Bill knows more than me. Seems to be around the going rate. Understand it's lower than you want. Ha ha. 500 Canadian dollars. Okay. All right. So, do I have an advance on 500 Canadian dollars? Let me see what that is. Canadian dollars is 367. Okay, I need the money. I'm desperate for it. So, okay. So I will do an auction then. Is Keaton S here? I got an offer of 500 Canadian dollars from Sensei. I will sell it right now on the show. Any advance on $500? I'm reading up on it between work. If Sensei scoops, then no problem. I think it's the first model, which might not be the spec I need, but trying to find out. Okay. I've got 500. Bill, are you still here? Any advances? I want to sell it to one of you guys. Bill, any advance on $500? That's 500 Canadian. Happy for Sensei to have it for the speed needs. I'll wait. Any advance going once? That's plus shipping, of course. I'll send the shipping, whatever that is, but I'll do it the cheapest way. And if you could cash at me so I can use the money to pay for my computer, that would be awesome. And I'll put it in the post today. No advances from Bill. So it looks like it's at 500 Canadian dollars. I didn't want to sell it for that, but I can't afford to keep it. I can't afford to keep it. I need to sell it. All right. I'll just wait to see if Keaton S could offer me 20, 30 bucks more. Not sold to Sensei yet. Anyway. Oh, Ed Nevius. Is Ed Nevius here? I sent you a message on Discord. You asked me you wanted to know about my Cash App for some reason. I sent you a a message. I didn't get a reply from you, so I don't know. I didn't know. Lucid, Apple, rising, Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, enjoy Sensei, videos to come. I'm just waiting to hear from Keaton S. If anybody would offer me more than 500, that's 500 Canadian, I believe, as well, which is about $360. In dollars, it's actually $368. A brand new drone for $368. Bloody hell. No, thank you. Not the one. Okay. All right. So it looks like it's so Sensei, $368. If you send me I can't believe it. If you send me what sort of show is this? Sensei, send me $368 now on Cash App, because I need it to pay off my bill on Apple, and I will then parcel it up. I will tell you what the delivery is, and then you just pay the balance, and then I'll send it off. Okay, but if you could do that, I will use that money straight away, and I will pay off my first installment of my computer. Thank you very much. I'm on TikTok. Sharing the love. Ah, okay. He's over there on TikTok. Oh, there he is. There's Ed Nevius. How are you, mate? I didn't even realise. There you go. Okay. No, not at all. Keaton S. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Is Sensei still here? Yes, he is. Are you here? There we go. We're going to end the show now then. We're going to wrap up. I want to thank everyone for joining me over on TikTok today. Thank you. LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Livestreamer Cafe, of course, and our new friends on Rumble. It's lovely to have you here. We've got 38 followers now on Rumble. Thank you ever so much for following me today. Been a pleasure. We'll be back for the closing bell this afternoon. And just waiting to hear back from Sensei, but we are going to wrap up the show. Apple's going up. Lucid's going up. Tesla's going up. Needs to get to 189 before I can trim off. The S&P, I didn't manage to get it for 370. It's a shame, but I don't mind. Wall saying FT being used for short sellers. WAL saying FT being used for by short sellers. Thank you for that information. I'm going to get off. Let's do day trader of the day. If Sensei is still here, I'm just waiting to hear from him to close up this on my drone. So I am down. Wow, hardly anything now. 0.1%. Can you just confirm it's the fly? Yes. Yes, it is. It is. That comes with the batteries and the chargers and the car kits and the bag and everything else. Yes. Yes, I can. Where was I? Right, 1 minute. Reminds me of all the banks saying they were strong and it was short seller attacks in 08. Oh, right, we're green. I'm up. I'm up. Would have loved to have bought the S&P because I could have traded it even as a day trade. If I'd bought it, I could have made myself 371. I'd have made $2 on it. I could have sold it, but it didn't go low enough, and that's fine. It's okay to keep some money on cash. All right, day trader of the day. You ready? Give everybody a minute. Let's. I'm actually up now, so already that's out of date. Yeah, it's a good deal. It's a very, very good deal. I don't want to sell it that cheap, but I need the money, all right? So Sensei's getting a good deal. But that's fine. He's a friend. He's a sponsor. He's a member of the family. You know, that's what I said. Anyway. Post your scores now. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. I can confirm. All right. So then I need you to send me 300. Where is it? On Cash App, send me $368, please. And then I can go to the post office and work out the best way of sending it to you, okay? All right. If you can do that, that'd be awesome. Down 0.1. Down 0.08. 5 a.m. here, very early in the morning here. 5 hours? Hawaii's not 5 hours behind. What's going on? I thought it was Pacific time. Pacific time is 2 hours. It's which means it's 8:15. I am very confused. Very confused. Anyway, down 0.19. Just try get shipping label online. Can't do too much. Just try get shipping label online. Can't do too much. Okay. Okay, I will. I'll get the best deal, of course, on the shipping. Of course I will. It looks like then, down 0.19. I am up. I only got 3 scores, but I'm actually up. So it looks like I'm the winner. No one else gave me their scores. Very low on scores the last few days, but it looks like I am the winner. So I'm going to give myself a thank you, give myself a thumbs up, and give myself the round of applause. Hawaii time is more than 2 hours your time. Been there and remember. I thought it was Pacific time. Time. I mean, obviously he knows he's there. Yeah, it is. It is. It's 5 hours behind. It's 12 minutes past 5 in the morning. I'm not doubting him, but I'm just confused. I thought it was Pacific time. Yep, he's absolutely right. It's HST time. So Hawaii Standard Time. So there you go. I apologize for doubting you. I should never have doubted you, Stephen. I was just confused. Thank you for your honest trades, Martin. You've yeah. DHL Express seems to be 25, which is perfect. Fine. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. I will send it the cheapest way. You know I will. Thank you very much indeed, Sensei. Thank you very much indeed. Brilliant. And I will get it sent straight away. Tizro, they have to come back aggressively to the claim, otherwise they'll be bankrupt by the end of the day. They have to come back aggressively to the claim, otherwise they'll be bankrupt by the end of the day. It's early, not light yet. It's in the Pacific, but not Pacific time. Yeah, that's bloody confusing, isn't it? But the Pacific is big. The Pacific is quite big. My drone, my old drone, my good old friend, I can't fly that anymore, can I? Damn it, I only flew it a couple of times anyway. Oh well. I think I paid about $1,200 for it, something like that. Anyway, that was an expensive lesson. But I need the money for the computer. What's more important, my computer or a drone that I don't fly? It's obvious. Anyway, that's it from me. Let's roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. I'll see you all back later for the closing bell. Roll the credits. Here we go. I'll see you all back in a short while for the closing bell. Stars of the show. Members, we got a new member from Turkey, a new member from Korea. What a great day. We've made lots more friends on Twitter and Rumble and TikTok. Absolutely brilliant. I'll see you all back in a bit. That was today's day, sponsored by Sensei. All right. Until next time, take care of your money, take care of your crypto, take care of yourselves and each other. What a great day. I enjoyed that. Brilliant. Bye-bye. See you in a bit.